So we're gonna go on and choose our shape builder tool. So again, that's gonna be on the left hand side. Looks like so. Click on it. Make sure you already highlighted all of this. So let me just make sure we clicked here. It's all grouped up. Shape builder tool. And then we can just drag. So we're gonna put all this together. So we're gonna drag this through. You're gonna see what happens if we bring all this together. So I'm just dragging through, highlighting everything. I was gonna skip out the letters, but let's highlight literally everything so you guys see what happens if we put it all together. And it's gonna create one big shape from this. Now this is not the best example of what just happened. So let me just make sure I teach you right now. Let me just put this on the side. And I will make another shape so you guys can see what just happened. So I'm gonna go into the shaper tool that we went on before. Let me just zoom in on it a little bit. So that's this shaper tool. We're just gonna make a shape. So we're just gonna draw a shape. Let's say we're making clouds. I wanna do something extremely fast. And there's several ways to do this, by the way. It's just one of the many ways. It's just takes a short amount of time to do this. So we're creating these circles. And then we have to select them all. So highlight them all. And then go to the shaper tool. And we're gonna drag and put them together. So just select every single one of them. Don't let go of your mouse or your trackpad, whatever you're using. Select everything from here. And we just created a big shape. Oh, it seems like I missed a small part there. But it doesn't really matter. I'm just going to my shaper tool and bring that together just in case. And there we go. There's my cloud. So again, this shape builder tool is awesome because you can bring everything together. Obviously, there's other ways to do this because I already showed you guys how to do that when you have various shapes. But this is just a quick way of doing it. And you can do that with every shape. You don't just have to do it circles. You guys can do it with anything, such as squares, stars. You guys can bring anything together. Just that this one right here is just the most common one, just to make something like a cloud. But anyways, that would be an intro into all of these things. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.